Hello. Find the equation of a perpendicular bisector of the line joining A and B, given their coordinates. So we are dealing with perpendicular bisector, and we are finding the equation of a line, meaning we have to first find a gradient of this line AB, from which we shall find a gradient of the perpendicular bisector using the fact m1, m2 is equal to -1. So let's first find a gradient. Gradient of AB is equal to y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So y2 is 9 minus 5 over 4 minus 2. 9 minus 5 is 4, divided by 2, which will give us a 2. So the gradient of line AB is 2. But the gradient of the perpendicular bisector line or bisector will equal to -1/2, from the fact I told you at the beginning that m1, m2 is equal to -1. If m1 is the gradient of the line AB, so this will be 2, m2 is equal to -1, and I divide by 2 on both sides. I get my m2 to be -1/2. So that's what we use to find that gradient. And then the next thing is finding the point where the line passes. And the point where the line passes is the midpoint, since they said the perpendicular bisector. So let's find the midpoint. Midpoint of 2, 5 and 4, 9. So midpoint, we use the formula x1 plus x2 over 2, y1 plus y2 over 2. So that will be our x1 is 2, then x2 is 4, divided by 2, then 5 plus 9 divided by 2. So our midpoint will be 3, 7. So this is the point where the perpendicular bisector passes. And now what you're left with is finding the equation of the line. So to find the equation of the line, we can use y equals to mx plus c, or using the formula which comes from the gradient of the line. The formula which comes from the gradient of the line is y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. So it's up to you to use either this or that. If you want to use this first one, you have to first find the y-intercept. Then after finding the y-intercept, you write the equation of the line. If you use this, we have everything. This one is our x1, y1, and we have the gradient, which is -1/2. So let's use this second one. So our y minus y1, which is 7, is equal to -1/2 into x minus 3 from that point. Then it's a matter of simplifying it, and you write it in that form. So we have y minus 7 is equal to -1/2 x plus 3 out of 2. When I bring the 7 that side, That will give us y equals to negative a half x plus 3 out of 2, and then plus 7. And this will give us y equals to negative a half x plus 17 out of 2. So this is our answer. Thank you.